For this is a point about is the significant effect of the cargo movement on the ship transverse stability recognizes the potential hazards and critical important of the proper cargo ensuring the practice for the uh, safe, safe safety the safe operation during loading cargo or adding weight, discharging or removing of weight, stopping, shifting of cargo. So, um, stability impact. The cargo movement played crucial role in the ship transverse stability, directly impacting its ability to remain upright and navigate safely. Transverse stability refer to visual distances the rolling to capacitating due external force as wind or slip shift in the cargo. So, improper cargo handling can lead to reverse hazard, including excessive listing, exercising of physical damage. Understand the effect of the loading, discharging, and lifting cargo inside. Since it's essential for ensuring safety and stable ship operation. In conclusion, the proper management of the cargo movement is vital to ensuring the ship transfer stability with the loading, discharging, or handling shifting cargo. Careful planning within disposition and resourcing practice are necessary to prevent stability and enhance safety, safety and the safe. This is about loading or adding weight. So we're in cargo and load into the ship, and the influences the vision center of the gravity height. So if cargo is loading with above the ship center of the gravity, the risk G reducing energy and making the decision and tender which increasing rolling and stability. Conversely, loading cargo that too slow can result to excessive JM. The making the ship stop first active in a comfortable rolling. Properly in distributing weight across the vessel is the necessary to maintain optional stability. Uneven loading to excessive weight contracted on the side can cause ineffective maneuverability and increasing the risk of capsizing. So, number 2, discharging or removing weight. When cargo is removed, the shape stability. Discharge is the uneven unloading cargo from one side without balance and can cause the ship to develop permanent leaks. Additionally, in heavy cargo from the lower section of the vessel to remove while proper cargo remains. It raises the center of the gravity, reducing stability and making the ship more prone to capsizing. Controlling with planning and loading producer are essential to maintaining balance and ensure the ship remains to safety plotting condition. Number 3. Slifting cargo. The slifting cargo is the most dangerous. The risk to ship is split. If the cargo is not properly record, it may move due to the ship rolling, patching, or provision leading to sudden stop within weight excursion. This causes the vessel to develop reverse list or even capsize in the movement is the extreme. Those bulk cargo, liquid cargo in particular will tank the free surface effect and properly Properly nourished container to cause significant hazard to prevent cargo shipping. Proper insurance method has lasting and damage and storage planning than the must be implemented. And that's all. Thank you, sir.